Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying network access and that you have admin credentials. This avoids surprises when changing records. Once logged in, locate the authoritative DNS server and the correct zone so you modify the live source, not a cache. Make sure to export or note current records, CNAME, MX, and TTL, because you might need to revert. Now open your DNS management interface, or SSH, to the server and be ready to create or edit entries immediately. You edit records carefully. Add or update a /CNAME/MX and set TTL low for testing, then raise later for stability. Once done, include reverse PTR records for IPs and CAA records if you manage certificates. These control validation and reduce errors. Make sure to validate zone file syntax or use the provider's checks, then save changes and increment the zone serial so secondaries pull the update. After you push, monitor propagation from multiple locations. You finish by verifying from various networks with DIG or ENS-lookup to confirm the new records resolved correctly. Test services like HTTP, email, or certificate issuance tied to those records. If something fails, clear local DNS caches and wait for TTL expiry. That often resolves transient inconsistency. If issues persist, revert to the exported records you saved earlier or adjust the offending entry. One troubleshooting tip: if resolution differs across regions, check secondary servers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.